It's a beautiful city here you have.
Okay. And your wife is for the first time?
Yeah, it's our first time.
So that means you take her around and it's
Yes.
This is about as much as we're going to be seeing. We took a catamaran out. It was very nice.
So what's up? You're taking her to the falls one day?
No, we're finishing up.
Yeah, we took a nice sunset cruise on the catamaran. We did some snorkeling, and the one thing we haven't seen yet is Rick's Cafe.
Okay.
We saw it weekend. It was very busy, so we decided to go.
You don't have a special time to visit. It's busy anytime because people from Montego Bay, people from Honduras, so a lot of people are there.
Is that why it's so busy?
It's not only people here. You have Montego Bay, you have Palma, you have Honduras, you have a lot of places where people come from just to see what's going on. Well, one thing I have to tell you, you're going to jump off that cliff?
You know, I will. I don't know how high I'm going to go, but I'm going to start small and work my way up. Why? What do you think?
But what I'm going to tell you, don't take a booze and try the high one.
Yes, I agree.
The high one is for Jamaican. They are crazy.
Professionals who know what they're doing.
Right.
Oh, I won't be going the high one. I'll be starting small and making sure I can go. Maybe I'll do one. Maybe I'll do the medium one. We'll see.
Yes. The tall one is one of this light pole here, on top of the rock. And this is the one you're jumping off, and they start here with the pole up. So it's very high. I don't know how these guys do, but they are very good.
This is like downtown Negril.
Yeah, that's
The
on
city center?
Well, Alico Village. I wouldn't call this a town, just a little place. So that's where you come in the town of Negril. But you have a lot of shops out of the town. Mario, her baby. They are crazy, you have to look out for them. One evening I saw two people like how I just talked to you. They said they want to go to Rick's. I said, how much? I said, $10. They said, no, that's too much. I said, have you ever been to Rick's? No. Then how you know it's too much? I just look on the map there and it's just around the corner.
Well.
I said to her, no, I said to both of them, I'm going to take you. Don't pay me. If it's don't worth it, don't pay me when you reach there. And when I do half the journey, I say, oh my God, it was so far. I never know that it was that far. But they never been there and they are telling me it's not worth
Right
it.
around the corner,
Yeah, I enjoy the ride. I enjoy just seeing Jamaica here. It's so hilly. We're right along the coast. I mean, the beautiful skyline. It's nice.
Yes. And you can take about 90 miles from here to Cuba. Just across there, 90 miles.
Yeah.
And you are in Cuba.
I like Jamaica better.
Yeah. Oh, you should be coming here like in the 80s and 90s. At that time we have no season. Right during the year, tourists are here. Right during the year. In the 80s, it wasn't hotel. In the early 80s, they carry their what they call it? This thing they put it up on the lip on the so they travel with that from their country because it wasn't built up like this. All these roads, nothing were on them.
last time I was in it real was 8 years ago, and I've already noticed it's been built up since then. You know.
Every part of it built up. See there, they build up right on. This is on the cliff. And here no, right on.
Under the cave? Yep.
He's on the cliff.
Okay.
So who lives around here? What they have to do now? They take a taxi if they want to go to the beach. But what I noticed, most of the people coming to this side just because of the cliff to do snorkeling.
Yeah, we did some snorkeling yesterday. Beautiful coral reefs. I mean, the water is so clear. It doesn't taste funny. It's very nice. I saw some big stingrays and all kinds of fish.
So a person come and look at it. Oh my God, the water is blue. No, it's crystal clear.
Yeah, it's clear. It's the sky that makes it blue.
Yeah. And what they do here, cutting a road from here to Ocho-Rios, it's cut along the ocean. So all you're driving, you're looking on the ocean, even to Ocho-Rios. If it wasn't going to leave tomorrow, I would take you around here to a cave where you swim underneath the road here.
I think the catamaran took us right here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you stop at Xtabi and go in the cave?
Yes.
Okay then.
It was really neat. There used to be a bar underneath there.
Right, right. That's right here.
Yeah.
Here because a cave is here named Joseph Cave.
Yes, that's where we went.
Right. So did you swim to this side of the road? You swim to right?
No, they let us swim in the cave briefly, then we had to get back on the catamaran. So we just went into the cave and swam out.
Saw the bar. Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like there's more.
So it take you to Ritz too?
Yes, briefly.
But you never get enough time to spend.
Yeah, we were on a boat with a lot of girls. They were celebrating a bachelorette party.
Yeah.
And there was about 20 of them, and they all got off here at Rick's instead. I guess they just drove back. Got a taxi back. We decided to just. That's crazy. Hopefully they end up paying you your money plus some.
So the lady that the both of them say it's never worth $10. It's too expensive. And when they see I'm driving and can't stop, they go, oh my God, it's so far.